Since his arraignment in September 2015 for illegal possession of firearms and money laundering, the trial of the former National Security Advisor, Colonel Sambo Dasuki, is yet to commence. At the resumed hearing of the case, the former NSA, through his lawyer Joseph Daudu, urged the court to quash the charges against him because the federal government cannot be in breach of the law and still try him. According to him, in spite of the bail granted to him by the Federal High Court, government has continued to keep him in detention, making it impossible to have access to his legal team to prepare for his case. Mr. Daudu said since November 3, 2015, when his client was rearrested by operators of the Department of State Services after perfecting his bail conditions, he has since been held in custody without trial or reasons made known to him. Mr. Daudu insists that the order that admitted Dasuki to bail remained valid, having not been reviewed or set aside by the court. As such, it must be obeyed in the interest of justice.
The discharge order is not the real or the main issue in this application. It is that the state should not have an opportunity to prosecute while at the same time being in disobedience of those orders. So my position is, if you make even 1,001 orders from the present posture of government, they will always disobey the orders. So stop listening to them. But if they obey the order today, we'll proceed.
Opposing the application, Prosecutor Dikpo Okpesheye urged the court not to grant the application because its purpose is to frustrate the trial and restrain the power and constitutional responsibility of the government to prosecute a criminal charge. He therefore asked the court to dismiss the application.
I believe in a matter of this nature, the most honorable approach is to allow the trial to commence immediately, and then he's discharged or he's, if he feels he has anything, then he will plead guilty. If not, he's either discharged after trial or he's acquitted.
After listening to the arguments from both parties, Justice Adeni Ademola fixed ruling on the application for the 4th of April 2016. Amaka Okafor, Channels Television News.